Hello, welcome to this video where we'll walk through the error code bundle feature of the Informatica Data Director in the Master Data Management product. As part of this video, we will cover what is the error code bundle used for. We'll go over how to get the error code bundle file, what does the error code bundle contains, how to deploy the changes that we make to the error code bundle file. We'll continue with entries in the error code bundle and demo some sample values in the error code bundle, and we'll end with some of the limitations of the error code bundle. So what's the error code bundle? So it's a resource bundle that contains the error messages that are displayed to the end user by the IDD application. So this is a way to customize the error messages that we display to the user. So the error code bundle file, or the set of files, start off with the name error code bundle, and they have an extension .properties. As with other resource bundles files, multiple files exist representing the different locals that we want to display the messages in. Now let's look at how to get the error code bundle, how to make changes, and how to deploy the changes. So I'm logging in to the IDD configuration application. So when I select an application and export it, I get a zip file, and the zip file contains the error code bundle files. So by default, I have an error code bundle.properties. Then we also provide by default the English local file for the error code bundle. So if I open this file, so this contains the different error messages that are displayed to the end user. I can customize the error messages that are displayed, as well as I can add new error messages that are used by my custom code. Once I do the changes, I come back to the IDD configuration application and I import into an existing IDD application. I select error code bundle. I browse to the location which contains the error code bundle file that I modify. I import the modified version of the error code bundle and I deploy the IDD application for the changes to take effect. Now let's go over what's the contents of the error code bundle file. So each entry in the file is a name value pair. So it starts off with the error code, then the equal to, followed by the error level, which could be either exception, error, warning, confirmation, confirmation warning, information. A pipe delimiter is used within the value part of the error entry. So after the error level, I have the string that I need to display in the title bar of the dialog message that is displayed to the end user. Then I have the main message that needs to be displayed, followed by the detailed message. Now let's go through and see the different values which we can use. So what I'm demoing right now probably is not a real life scenario. I'm just trying to show you different values. So I've written a sample user exit. So this is a save handler which will be executed from the save of the IDD application. So I'm checking for a specific wheel, specific value, and I'm returning an operation result, and I'm passing some custom error strings. So these error strings need to be configured in the error code bundle file. So I've configured each of these error strings in my error code bundle. So I have the error name followed by the error level, the title string, the message, and the detailed message. So let's go through and see how each of these differ. So we start off with an exception. So log into the IDD application. I try to create a new record by passing a value of 1. So when I click on the save now, my save handler kicks in. And if I enter a value of 1, I'm throwing an exception. So I see this icon for exception. This is my title bar. So this is the main message, which is in bold. Then I have the detailed message. And in case of an exception, I have that stack trace. For an exception, the operation that I'm performing is aborted. So in this case, the save is aborted when I click on close. The next error level is error. So enter a value of 2. Apply. Save. An error is very similar to an exception. The only difference is that I don't have the stack trace. So the operation is aborted. The next error level is information. The setup is very similar. I have a title bar, I have the main message and the detailed message. I don't have an icon, and when I complete this dialog, the operation is not aborted. This is just a way of showing information to the end user. So the next error level is confirmation. So let's create a new subject area record. So enter a value of 4. Save the record. So confirmation, and I don't have an icon. So I have a yes no button with the yes button highlighted. So this is where I'm asking for confirmation from the end user to continue with the operation. So if the user clicks yes, the operation continues. If the user clicks no, the operation is aborted. The next error level is confirmation warning. So confirmation warning is very similar to a confirmation, except that I have an icon now, and instead of the yes button, the no button is highlighted. So because it's a warning. So if I click no, the operation is aborted. If I click yes, the operation continues. The last error level is warning. So I'm entering a value of 6, apply, save. So a warning dialog. So I have the warning icon, and I just have one option, the close option. So this is to display warnings to the user. So in this case, the operation is not aborted. The operation continues. So the thing to note about the different error levels is I'm just controlling through the values that I enter in the error code bundle. My code just gives the error number of the error code. So I don't specify what needs to be done with the error. So but then the error level entry in the error code bundle file controls what needs to be done. So let's continue now. So to end this presentation, I just want to highlight that we cannot use all error levels in any methods of the user exits that we use. So for getting the list of supported error levels by the method, by the user exit type that we have, we need to refer to the IDD implementation guide. So I have the guide open. So we have the user exit section. So here we have the operation type and the different methods. So for each of the method, for example, the before everything method, so it can report errors, warnings, and confirmation. The before save method can report only errors. It cannot report warnings or confirmation. So that concludes our presentation or the error code bundle. Thank you.